Welcome back, puzzlers! Today we're going to play Pick One or Kick One Animal Edition. Are you ready to make some hard choices? But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun games. Alright, let's begin. Pick one or kick one, a fluffy cat or a cat with short hair. Which do you want as a pet, a cat or a dog? Which do you think is cuter, a hamster or a rabbit? Would you rather have a goldfish or a parrot as a pet? Would you prefer a pet goat or a pet sheep? Would you like rabbits or guinea pigs? What would you rather go swimming with, dolphins or turtles? Pick one or kick one, a pet giraffe or a pet lion cub? Who do you think is cuter, a penguin or a ferret? Do you think cats are mischievous or adorable? What's your pick for a mythical pet, a unicorn or a dragon? Who wins in cuteness, a chubby panda or a playful kangaroo? What's more fascinating, the intelligence of a dolphin or the loyalty of a dog? Pick your fantasy ride, flying on a giant eagle or swimming with a majestic whale. What would you prefer to see in your garden? Colorful butterflies or busy bees? Who do you think is the king of your pet kingdom? A regal lion or a majestic tiger? If you could talk to animals, who would you chat with first, a wise elephant or a playful monkey? What's your fantasy creature, a fire-breathing dragon or a phoenix? Imagine having a pet from the past. Would you choose a woolly mammoth or a dodo bird? Who do you admire more, the solitary leopard or the social wolf? Pick one or kick one, sea otter or clownfish? Which is more adorable, a baby seal or a baby koala? Who's your spirit animal, the adventurous eagle or the wise owl? If you could have a pet from the movies, would you choose Buckbeak from Harry Potter or Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon? Who's the ultimate animal companion for an adventure? A loyal dog or a cunning fox? If you had a farm, what would you prefer? A herd of cows or a flock of sheep? Pick one or kick one. A chatty cockatoo or a silent goldfish? What sounds more fun, playing fetch with a puppy or cuddling with a lion cub? Who would you choose as a guardian, a bear or a wolf? What do you want as a pet, a king cobra or a viper? Would you rather pet an elephant or a leopard? Pick one or kick one. Dolphin or flamingo? Who is your favorite animal for the snowy season? A husky or a reindeer? What do you think? Dogs are more intelligent than cats or not? What do you prefer? Pets that are quiet or pets that are noisy? What would you rather raise, chickens or ducks? Pick one or kick one. Pet alpaca or a pet llama? What do you prefer? Dogs that are good at guarding or dogs that are good at cuddling? Would you rather have a pet tarantula or a pet spider? Pick one or kick one. Kangaroo or a wallaby? Now pick your next challenge and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.